Implementation of the law that requires cyclists to have a healthcare card with them when cycling at all times. So the title of my law is always having a healthcare card when using the road with a bicycle. Definition of terms. Preparedness refers to being prepared even for the worst case scenario when riding your bicycle. Cyclists refers to people that rides their bicycle for health and transportation purposes. Care, organized provision of medical care to individuals or a community. The agencies that affect my law is DPWH, Department of Public Work Highways, MMDA, Metropolitan Manila Development Authority, and mostly DOH, Department of Health. Road users here are vehicle drivers and cyclists. Most of the agencies given are to implement the law of always bringing of healthcare card when using a bicycle in a road. DPWH role is to give cyclists the bicycle lane for their safety. MMDA is the one who gives penalties for those who don't follow road rules. Mostly important for the law that I'm implementing is DOH, where the cyclists can get their health card. With that said, the importance of this law is the safety of a cyclist in case of an accident happen to him or her. And worst case scenario is to get them treated urgently in the hospital in case there are fatal injuries. So let's talk about penalties. I don't want penalties in my law, so the first and only offense is 500 pesos only when you are asked for ID and you don't have a healthcare card with you. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for listening.